Hello guys, this is your host Mirza. In this video, today I am going to show you that how you can use RDP from your cell phone. So, first of all, what you need to do is you need to download a RDP client from your Google Play Store account. So, to download an RDP, you need to first go to the Play Store. You need to search for RDP client, and if you see this option remote desktop 8, you click over here and you download this application. I will put the link of this application in the description, so don't worry about it. So what's next? So the next part is you need to open the RD client. You need to accept the terms and condition. You need to click on the plus icon which is placed at the top right corner of the screen. You need to choose desktop. Now you need to put the IP address of that RDP PC, which I will be getting from here. Now you need to choose the username and you need to click on add user account. Now you need to type the username and the password. So I'll copy that and paste it over here. This is the username. This is the password, and you need to click on the save button. Now at the top right corner of the screen you see the save option. Click on it. Now you simply click over here and it is being connected. Now you need to click over here and click on the connect. Now you need to click on the connect button. You see, now I am inside the remote desktop and I'm using it from my cell phone, as you can see. Now how to control it? Simple. Like, if you want to use your keyboard, you simply click over here on the top keyboard and you will get the keyboard on your phone. It will eventually pops up. Close it by clicking again. Okay, now how to click? Simple. Move this mouse cursor to the thing which you wanna open. Now if I wanna open Google Chrome, I will put it over here and I'll just double click at any point of the screen. See, this is how it works. Now if I wanna close it, I will move the cursor to the cross mark and click anywhere. It will get closed. Now if I wanna open documents, I will move it over here, the folder, and click over here. Okay, there you go. Now if I wanna enter into the drive, I will move the cursor over here, click over here. So this is the way a RDP works on cell phone. It is very smooth and it depends upon your internet connection as well. The smoothness and the way you move the cursor, it won't be laggy if your internet is good. So guys, this is the RDP. As you can see, absolutely working fine from the phone. You can do whatever you want. It's up to you. Let me process a website so that you guys could know that this is real. I want to type something, I will type, for example, YouTube. and I will click on the keyboard so that it can remove, and you can see I'm on the YouTube. I will click over here and youtube.com is working absolutely fine. See? So guys, I hope you all like the video. If you do, please subscribe my channel and do support me. Give your feedbacks, comments, like my page, join my Telegram channel. That's all for now. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.